Hello and welcome to the third match in the quarterfinals of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Marlie Primary from St. Catherine up against Mandeville Primary from Manchester. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. And from the coin toss earlier, Marlie won and decided to go first. So in this section, we'll ask teams questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer, and they will earn 1 point for each correct answer. So we'll start off with Bible knowledge for Marlie. Which of the prophets was known as the weeping prophet?
Jeremiah. Jeremiah.
Correct. Mandeville, to which city was Jonah sent by God to issue a warning?
Nineveh.
Correct. Science, Marlie, which planet is the second closest to the sun?
Venus.
Correct. Mandeville, which planet is the fifth closest to the sun?
Jupiter. Jupiter.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. Marlie, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Pernell Charles.
Incorrect, it's Senator Ransford Braham. Mandeville, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
Tavares Filson. Tavares Filson.
Judges? It's incomplete. We needed the first name. And that would have been Tom Tavares Finson. We move on to English language. Marlie, is the word someone a pronoun or a noun?
Pronoun.
Correct. Mandeville, is the word miraculously a verb or an adverb?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Correct. Television for Marlie, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jack Wilburn.
Incorrect, it's Stephen Amell. Mandeville, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect, that's Robbie Amell. And we move on to general knowledge. Marlie, on a normal computer keyboard, with which symbol does the number 8 share a key?
Star.
Judges? Or asterisk, we'll accept. Mandeville, on a normal computer keyboard, with which symbol does the number 5 share a key?
Percentage sign. Percentage sign.
Correct. Social studies, Marlie, which two colors does magma usually glow with when it flows out of a volcano?
Yellow and red.
Incorrect, it's red and white. Mandeville, what is known as the very small solid particles that are emitted into the atmosphere by volcanic explosions?
Ash.
Correct. Music, Marlie, which Jamaican gospel artiste released the song entitled I Am a Warrior?
Judith Gale.
Incorrect, it's Marvia Providence. And for Mandeville, which former Jamaican gospel group released the single Can't Even Walk?
Grace Steelers. Grace Steelers.
Correct. Mathematics, Marlie, how many times can you get 0.005 from 350?
70,000 times.
70,000 times.
Correct. Mandeville, how many times can you get 0.09 from 550? Correction. How many times can you get 0.09 from 540?
6,000 times.
6,000 times.
Correct. Sports, Marlie, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this former reggae boy.
Omar Wedderburn.
Incorrect, it's Ricardo Fuller. Mandeville, look at the monitor as well and identify this former reggae boy.
Luton Shelton.
It's Rodolphe Osted, so that's incorrect. Jamaican affairs for Marlie and the bell. signals the end of section 1 with Marlie Mount on 5 and Mandeville on 7. So we go for our first break, but first listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. A calendar is a great way to plan your day. It will be easier to schedule your study and homework activities. It can also help you to study in blocks and devote time to different subjects. Set up a calendar on your phone or computer and ensure you stick to it. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.